My name is Catherina Lambong and Sumping, and I'm from AT1102 and my group is 2C. Today I'm going to do a video demonstration about grafting hibiscus. Tools and equipment that I need is a cutter, a scissors, sellotape, plastic bag, hibiscus rootstock, hibiscus scion, and loam soil. First step is you have to make a straight cut in the center of the rootstock like this. Be careful when you're using a cutter. After you make a straight cut in the center of the rootstock, then you have to make a V-shaped cut at the bottom of the scion. This. Like this V-shape. Then insert the scion into the rootstock. This. Then you have to wrap this up using a sellotape. Wrap this part properly and carefully. This. Cut the extra sellotape. Lastly, cover the upper part using a plastic bag like this. Then tie this up using a sellotape. That's all for my demo.
Hello everyone, my name is Regina Renda Anak Abat. I am from AT1102C. Today I want to do video demonstration about cutting aloe vera plants. This is the video demonstration about cutting aloe vera plants. First of all, the material that we use is a sharp knife and potting soil. This demonstration is show the cutting aloe vera using whole leaf. First of all, cut the aloe vera leaf. When propagating cutting, rely on plant material that the mother plant from. Cut excess of the leaf. Cut a leaf at least 8 cm long from the above alone. First of all, I have already filled the pot with substrate. After that, insert the cutting lengthwise into the earth, covered with a very thin layer of substrate. Then, add some stone to make the aloe vera leaf stable.
Hello, I'm Fazlin and I'm from class 2C. In this video, I'm going to talk about specialized stems and roots. Specialized stems is a various form to serve different functions, for example, food or water storage, or subterranean or aerial actuating devices, which also mean asexual reproduction or for climbing. While for specialized roots, it means the function other than support and absorption. For example, some roots store starch. This apply to plants like beets and turnips, or even store water. For example, the desert plant. The roots that grow into the air are filled with specialized parenchyma, which also called parenchyma. An example for specialized stems and roots is carrot. Why carrots? Because carrot has storage organs that are actually combination of roots and stems. Approximately, the top two stems of a carrot are actually derived from the stem. To propagate means to produce more of oneself. Propagate root structure are a way for a plant to produce more of itself. We're going to see how to grow a carrot using the carrot top. First, we need to cut off the at least 2 cm of the carrot top carefully, as you can see in the picture here. And then next, we have to prepare a plate and then place the carrot on the plate. After that, pour some water until it reaches the top of the plate and the bottom of the carrot stump. If your plate is bigger, you can put maybe 2 or 3 carrot top on your plate, depending on the size of the plate you prepared. And then next, when they are all begin to sprout up together in a single spot, they will make for an impressive sight. As we can see here, this is the new carrot top that we grow, and then this is the carrot top that have been grown for quite a while. As we can see here, the spot is quite long. This means they can be transferred into pot. After the spot big enough, move the carrot top into a pot so that it can grow bigger. As you can see here, carrot spot is one is longer than the one inside the plate. So that means the carrot is big enough to be moved into a pot, and so that it can grow bigger in soil. Because if you don't move it while it's already this big, it will start to die because it needs some places to grow bigger, and the root from the bottom will start to grow, and it will search for the nutrient in the soil. That is why we need to move it into the soil. And that is all for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Vanessa Anak, student ID 20204-88996, class AT1102C. Today I would like to talk about propagation. For my part, I did the layering. There are 5 types of layering propagation: simple layering, compound layering, mount layering, air layering, and tip layering. Tools and materials needed to execute this is a sharp knife, a piece of plastic foil, a bowl, moss, and water. Layering process. Step 1. Soak the moss in a bowl of water. Step 2. Make an upward slanted cut about halfway to 2/3 through the stem or the branch of the plant. Step 3. Squeeze out the excess water from the moss. Make a small spherical shape of the damp moss and wrap it around the cut. Step 5 is to hold the moss in place. Wrap it in a plastic foil. After that, just wait for a few weeks and the roots will start to show. So first step for layering propagation, I will choose the old stem and the new stem. And then cut the slits there. So for this, to make new roots, we can use either coco peat or moss, moist moss. For me, I use a moist moss. Then wrap it with plastic. Stick enough moss.